that battle is fought in space. Satellites sensing launches, being able to do mad, mutually assured destruction, and so on. The next 50 years will be about a much less integrated U.S. with the world, not isolated, not certainly trading intensely with countries. But we have spent the past 85 years in constant warfare, small, large, covert, overt. I participated in some of that, and it was exhausting. So the country really doesn't have to do that. So what I see happening is two things. One, the United States taking on a role it had for most of its history as a country that is self-sustaining, highly trading, involved in the world, certainly on alert with the great military. But the next battle is going to be fought in space. This sounds strange, but it would have been strange if World War I to say the next war in Europe would be fought in the air and that nuclear weapons would arise. We were protected from nuclear war by mutually assured destruction. It was the one war in which the leaders themselves would be killed in the first round. We would hit and they would hit. And so there was no war because we had 30 minutes warning, because we had radars, and after the U-2 was shot down, and we were kind of spying on the Russians, they were spying in other ways, we launched satellites. Remember, the first American satellite and the first American-Russian satellite were launched a month for each other. First American man in space and first Russian man in space launched weeks apart. So I always wondered, and I don't know, that there was a kind of collaboration between the Russians and Americans to maintain MAD, mutual assured destruction. It was a really neat name for it. Now MAD is assured from space. Satellites are flying there. Satellites, one, blocked the Russians in Ukraine. American satellites could see small units down a meter level resolution. And we put in things like HIMARS, these missile systems that could, with precision, hit them. So now tactical war is governed from space. MAD is covered from space.